So guys, in this video we are going to talk about this robots.txt. So this is a text file, and now I will show you one example. That is, let's say this is google.com. Yes, this is google.com. Now let us assume that I am the owner of this google.com. Okay, I know I am not. Okay, let's assume that I am the owner of google.com. Suppose I'm going to create another small application, and I want to test that application. So that application path is google.com slash say my app. So it says 404 error. Okay, sorry. Okay, my app, and I get some actual data because I am developing my app and I want to put that in my app folder. So since we do not have my application, it gave me 404 error. So let's assume that I have some this page is my app. So if there are some errors or any bugs in this web page, it can lead to some exploitation. So I want to test this website. For that, I don't want any Google search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing not to display my this path only. So you can just Google about this my app, and that Google's browser will not display this my app path. So because I put this my app in robots.txt file, so whatever the content in the robots.txt file, the web crawlers like Google, like search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, any other search engine will not display that in the results. So if I put my app in my robots.txt file of my this google.com main domain, then search engines will not find that this directory and will not display any content from this. You need to manually find out, because you need to guess that there is a my app. Otherwise, from Google or any other search engine, you cannot find this URL, because my app has been like hidden from search engines. So I will show you that one. So this is a natas 3 lab over the web. This is for web practice, and if it says that there is nothing on this page. Okay, now let's press the Ctrl U to view the source code, and you can see there is a comment: no more information leaks, not even Google will find this time. So because Google is a search engine and will not find the item that is in robots.txt file. So let me say robots.txt file, and you can see here there is a syntax, and user agent is equal to star. So here user agent is a search engines, star means all search engines. So whenever the search engines is going to crawl this domain, then it will see the robots.txt file, and since user agent is star, it applies to the all search engines. So that search engine will not allow this path to be displayed in the results. So if I type this one, so I have mentioned here disallow and then this directory, that means from the root. So whenever the search engine see this, it will not display on the results. So user cannot find, or any hacker cannot find, until they find this robots.txt file. So here this natas guys have been put this secret folder disallowed from me, or hid from me. So let me click on enter, and you can see index of the secret, and you can see user.txt, the password for the next level, that is natas4, and which is this one. So the main important is not the password but the robots.txt file. So as you can see here, there will be like user agent is equal to Google or Bing or any other, star in the sense every search engine, and disallow means you should not crawl this one and you should not display that in the results. So that's all about this robots.txt file. So one thing you can check in the pen testing is check any robots.txt. If you any sensitive data are there in these paths, you can just write down in the report. So that's all about the robots.txt. I hope you have understood.